Brazil has the largest Black population outside of Africa. Bam! I know you probably thought it was the United States, but it is actually Brazil. And that's important. It's important because Brazil at this moment is experiencing a Black Renaissance. The Penn Museum, in collaboration with the Center for Africana Studies, is excited to present Designing Blackness in Brazil, an international and interdisciplinary workshop dedicated to reimagining museums and galleries as inclusive, dynamic spaces that authentically represent African and African diasporic identities. I was talking with my colleagues Vani Claire Silva Santos and Fernando Lara about what could we do to capture what I think of as a renaissance, a Black renaissance in art that is occurring in Brazil at this moment. And first we started talking about the work of Jorge dos Anjos, which he created the facade to the Africa galleries at the Penn Museum. And it was such a powerful collaboration, and his work represents such a powerful representation of the conversation between members of the African diaspora in the United States and Brazil, and their conversation about Africa and African material culture, until we said, maybe we should even broaden it. We should anchor it in Jorge's work, but we need to kind of craft something that is going to create a space for a conversation among Brazilian artists, among Brazilian architects, among Brazilian curators. So the participants here are outstanding. They're some of the leading individuals putting together exhibitions on Black bodies, telling narratives from the perspectives of Black voices. Their artists will be here. There are architects who will be here. And there are curators which will be here. And from this, we hope to have a conversation about how the museum space, how the gallery space can be more than just a conversation in response to, but more so a conversation that takes us someplace that honors the histories, the cultures, and the lived experiences of Black communities, of Black bodies across spaces. This event is co-hosted by the Penn Museum, Department of Africana Studies, and the Center for Africana Studies. It is generously supported by the School of Arts and Sciences, the Center for Latin American and Latinx Studies, and the School of Design at the University of Pennsylvania. So I hope you can make this outstanding workshop, which will happen on March 6, 2025. It'll be an all-day workshop, so just click on the link and come and check it out.